Good afternoon, my dear friends. How are you all?
Good, ma'am.
Good, ma'am.
Good.
Fine.
You're not getting me? I said happy afternoon. I said good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
You should be
ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Yes, thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
You should be enthusiastic for the new learning, right? Okay. So today we are going to learn something new, something interesting from the science subject. But before that, we should write our regular part. That is nothing but the primary things on the board. Can anyone quickly tell me today's date? Yes?
4th of November.
4th of November,
11/25.
No chorus answers, please tell me one by one. 4th November 2025 and day is Tuesday. And very thoughtful thought you can see on the board, that is knowledge is the power. And definitely from today's sessions, you are going to gain new knowledge, which is really very interesting. And standard 8, division B. So from the science subject, today we are going to learn the topic that is life around you. And to see life around us, today I'm going to take you all out in the nature home. So are you ready for this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, so let's go in the
Yes,
nature
ma'am.
home. Yes. Now, oh my God, you can see who is there
Yes,
in the nature?
Animals.
Animals.
birds.
Yes, birds, animals are there, right? Okay, now you're just going to identify whatever pictures I have displayed on the slide. Okay, I'm just going to, yes, this
Parrot.
parrot, yes,
Dog.
dog,
Zebra.
zebra,
Frog.
yes, yes, next,
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
giraffe,
Pigeons.
Tiger.
Frog.
tiger, then
Monkey.
monkeys,
And
then pigeons. Okay,
Pigeons.
okay, some more animals they are eager to meet us. You can see here. Oh my God, you can see who is there.
Fish.
Lion.
Fish, yes, you can say fish and
Snake.
goldfish, snake, yeah,
Lion.
Lion.
lion
Crocodile.
and crocodile. Okay,
Crocodile.
okay, yeah. Okay, now you can see whatever pictures I have displayed on the slide. Just below each pictures you can say no. On just below some pictures you can say yes. Okay. Now what is your task? You are going to just compare the attributes, or you can say the characteristics of yes examples with the no one. Okay. So I think in this way it is not possible. So what I will do for you, I'm just going to categorize all the pictures or all the examples. Now you can see in the tabular form. So all these examples, they are under yes category, or you can see yes examples, and the remaining they are no examples, right? So please look at these examples very carefully. And now what you're going to do, you're going to just compare the attributes, you are going to just compare the characteristics of the positive examples with the negative one, so that you will formulate the concept, you will get an idea about the concept. And after that also you are going to define your concept. Okay, so your task starts now. Come on, just think about it. I'm going to repeat the instructions. You are just going to compare the attributes of the positive examples with the negative examples, right? And on that basis, you are going to come up with the particular idea. Means what? All these examples, they are related to the particular concept. And you are also going to define, you're going to make a hypothesis about that concept. Yes, any one of you? You need some more time?
May I, ma'am?
Yes, please.
I think yes examples are the examples of mammals and no examples are not mammals.
Okay, okay. Any other? Any other? Okay. Any other, please?
Mammals can reproduce young ones and no examples. Animals reproduces eggs.
Okay. Okay, now see, now that is your first idea that you have come up with the concept that is nothing but the mammals. Can you define it? Can you make a hypothesis about the concept? Yes.
Mammals are the organs that gives birth to young one.
That?
Gives birth to young one.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Yes. Any other?
Mammals reproduces, I think.
This what is the speciality of the mammals? Come on. What are the characteristics of the mammals? If you are saying that you have come up with the concept that is
Reproduce.
mammals. Okay.
Reproduce sexually.
Okay. So most
Some
of
of the
you.
mammals reproduce gives milk. Some of the mammals gives milk.
Okay. Okay. So the first is they reproduce. They reproduce the reproduction. So what kind of reproduction? They are oviparous or they are viviparous? You have to think about it. Yes.
And
They
they live
produce
in
the
all
milk.
time.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Any other? Please define whatever concept you found. Please define it. Please make a hypothesis about your concept. Come on.
And they are grouped based on their reproduction and habitats also.
Okay. So you're saying about the habitat. Okay. Yes. Any other thing?
They are the vertebrate animals. They are having a backbone.
Okay. Very good. They are vertebrates. Okay.
Mammals
They are having
are
that.
endothermic, ma'am. They are endothermic means warm-blooded animals.
Wow. Yes, very good. They're warm blood. See now, okay. So you have come up with the various attributes, and accordingly you have prepared your own hypothesis about the
Having
concept.
hair or fur.
Yes.
They are having hair or fur.
Could you please repeat?
Mammals have hair or fur on their bodies.
Okay. Okay. They are having four on the bodies, right? Or the hairs on the bodies, right? Okay. Good. Okay.
Ma'am, the mammals respires through lungs.
Okay. Mammals respire through lungs. Okay. So now everyone you have come up with the various definitions about the mammals. That is nothing but your hypothesis about the whatever concept you found. Okay. So let me check because now I'm going to present some examples in front of you, right? And you're going to just tell me that whether that particular example it is related to that particular category that is nothing but the mammals. Yes. Okay. You just identify the picture and tell me is it belongs to that category. Just say yes or no. Come on. The first one.
No.
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 Tell me you should identify it first, no? I can see the beak of the bird.
Yes.
It is
Marathi
yes.
name I know that Sutar Paksha.
Kingfisher.
It is yes, it is woodpecker, right? Okay, no.
Woodpecker.
Then the
Yes.
second one is
Elephant.
Elephant,
Elephant.
baby elephant.
It is a
yes or
mammal.
no?
Mammal.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
The third one is
Panda.
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 Mammal.
Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Yes. The fourth one is
Deer.
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 deer. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Good try. So please clap for yourself. Okay.
Thank you,
Now,
ma'am.
see, many students they have come up with the various attributes and accordingly they have prepared their own definition about the mammals. That is nothing but the hypothesis about the concept. Now, can anyone tell me, anyone please state the hypothesis about the concept. Come on. According to you, what is mammal? Any one of you, please try.
Mammals are the any
Okay, one only anyone, please. Come on. Yes, any one of you quickly. I'm getting distraction. Please you mute yourself. Okay, any one of you, please quickly state the hypothesis about the concept mammal. Come
Ma'am,
on. Yes,
ma'am,
please.
an animal of the type that gives birth to living babies, not eggs, and that feeds young one on breastfeeding that its own body, from its own body. I think so.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now,
And
see,
also they
whatever
are
something.
furry and there are so hairy bodies. They have a hairy body.
Okay. See now how many attributes you are thinking about the hairs on the body, right? About the reproduction, about the production of the offsprings, right? About the vertebral column, right? About the endothermic. And one more thing just now she has added that was really wonderful. That is nothing but the yes, breastfeeding. This that is nothing but the mammary glands, right? Right. Okay, very good. Good job. Please clap for yourself. Very nice. Very nice. You're on the right path.
Thank you.
Okay. Now the concept is mammals. Yes. And you can see how we can define it. The mammals, it is nothing but any member of the group of vertebrate animals in which the youngs are nourished with milk from the special mammary glands of the mother. Right. And when you compare the attributes or the characteristics of the yes examples with the no one, you found various characteristics, and the characteristics are they have mammary glands that help them to produce milk to feed their younger ones. Mammals, they have four-chambered heart. The trunk is divided into thorax and abdomen. Warm-blooded, that is nothing but the endothermic. Viviparous means they are giving birth through, yes, offspring, right? So basically reproduction, oviparous and viviparous. When they are laying eggs, that is nothing but the oviparous, right? But these are the characteristics. But my dear friends, you can see now, to become a part of that particular concept, we have to focus on the essential characteristics. We have to focus on the essential attributes, right? Okay. Now, I'm just going to tell you something about this. You can see some example. The platypus and echinda. Oh my God, what you can see here on one side, we are saying that they are viviparous, right? But here, these are the mammals. These both the examples, they are related to the they are the mammals, right? But they are not viviparous, they are oviparous. Okay. So to become a part of that particular category, that is the concept, that is nothing but the mammals, we have to think about the essential attributes or the essential characteristics and non-essential characteristics. Okay. Now you can see here. So what are the essential characteristics? Yes.
They have mammary glands that help them produce milk to
Yes.
food their
Yes.
younger ones.
Very good, very good. So main essential character, that is the mammary gland which produce the milk, and with that they can feed the younger ones. And the next is trunk is divided into thorax and abdomen. So warm-blooded animal, because ewes means the birds, they are also warm-blooded. Viviparous. Now just now gave you some examples, means even the mammals, some examples like platypus and echinda, they are the oviparous, right? And heart is four-chambered. But some characteristics we also found in the other categories like ewes, right? So we have to consider that essential attributes or essential characteristics for the formulation of the concept, for defining the concept. This is clear to you? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Is it not clear? This is not clear about essential and non-essential.
Essential means what? See, the other characteristic, even see, warm-blooded animals, ewes means birds, they are also having warm-blooded animals. Means to become a part of that particular category, we have to focus on the special characteristics, right? Those characteristics are called as essential characteristics. Are you getting me now? The
Yes,
main
ma'am.
in this related to this particular concept, that is very, very, very essential characteristic, that is nothing but the mammary glands which produce the milk, and with that they feed their younger one. This is the very special, very essential characteristics, right? Okay. Now I'm going to move ahead. Now it's your turn. Give me some examples of the mammals. Now your concept it is clear, right? These are the mammals. These are the attributes of the mammals. These are the essential characteristics of the mammals, right? Now give me some more examples. Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Cow, cat,
Lion,
horse.
elephant, monkey,
Yes.
dolphin, kangaroo,
Oh,
deer,
oh.
rabbit.
Very nice. We have come up with various examples of the mammals. It is really correct. Yes, very good. Okay, okay. Now I'm just switching ahead. You have to just think about you have formulated the concept, and for that you have compared the attributes of the yes examples with the no examples, right? So you have to just, I'm just going to display certain questions in the on the next slide. You have to just think about it. So now I'm just going to take you back to the beginning of the task, right? Where you generated the hypothesis about the or generated the initial idea. After that, you have compared the maybe after that you have deeply compared the characteristics or the attributes of the yes examples with the no one. Again, you have changed your previous hypothesis or the idea. Initially, you have formulated maybe the one definition. Okay, later on you have added something or you have removed something. Okay, just read all the things, all the questions on the slide, and accordingly tell me about your thinking process. Come on, just read it, take some time, and tell me about your thinking process. Yes. So initial hypothesis, your specific observations, right? Or the piece of information which led you to form that particular hypothesis. Yes, about the process which you use to test your hypothesis, most significant piece of data you have collected, right? Whatever data you have collected, either it's supported for the formulation of the for concept, or you have rejected and you have modified something, right? Any aha moment it was there when you come up with the conclusion about the concept, or any kind of confusion it was there, right? Again, you're going to just differentiate the attributes, right? Which attribute did you initially think was the most important, and did your views on its important change? Why or why not? Right? Just think about all the questions and tell me about your thinking process. Yes. And the most important that is there any relationship between the hypothesis and the attributes? Okay, tell me about this. Just think about your thinking process. The thinking process we are used for the formulation of the concept, for the identification of the concept, for making the hypothesis, the proper hypothesis about the concept. Come on, who will tell me? Yes.
Attributes are the features,
Hmm? Yes.
and hypothesis is the like
Means how you
we
come
see
up.
conclude what we're concluding through pictures or what we are watching, how we are
Okay.
moving.
Your time, Vika. Yes, any other? Just think about your thinking process when you have compared the positive examples with the negative one, right? Which concept you found first? Okay, which attributes you consider as a special attributes, right? Then after that, see, just remember whenever the I got
Their
some
physical
answers.
features, their physical
Yes,
features, their hands,
yes.
their legs, their
Okay, you thought
Animal
about the yes, the features. Okay,
yes
the
features.
external body parts. Okay,
Like
some thought
yes,
about the locomotion, some thought about the habitat. Okay, tell me about this. Means how you come up with these particular mammals, concept mammals.
vertebrate,
ma'am, feeding their young
vertebrates.
ones.
Yes, please.
Feeding their young
And
ones,
in
ma'am.
hypothesis, we compared with two or more that all are examples, and in attributes we give the specific characteristics of that variables which are given to us.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, any other response?
Ma'am, the hypothesis should have limited scope and especially focus on special things and and it's often
My dear friends, okay,
Hypotheses are assumptions based on some evidence. Uh, okay, and attributes are specific studied characteristics.
okay,
Uh,
okay,
yes, ma'am.
okay, okay. See?
Ma'am,
Okay, any other?
I think a hypothesis is a guess, and according to that guess, uh, attributes are the characteristics that makes hypothesis good.
Okay. So on the basis of attributes, you are going to formulate the hypothesis, right? You have formulated the hypothesis. All the examples, yes, examples, they belong to category that is nothing but the mammals. So hypothesis means mammal means, okay, so when, let me give you one hint, right? When someone they have come up with, they were only thinking about the mammals, they are about their habitat. Okay, someone else was telling about the reproduction. Someone else was telling about the breastfeeding, right? So you got idea. You also got your idea from your friends, isn't it? Yes or
yes,
no?
ma'am.
To prepare the
Yes,
proper
ma'am.
definition. Okay, so that's I'm expecting that you should think about your thinking process. Means initially when you compare the attributes, you thought that maybe the examples which are under there in the yes column, they belongs to the wild animals, right? Dogs that can be also wild animal, right? That is domestic also and wild animal also, right? So maybe in your concept that can be that. Okay, so accordingly, okay. So now I got about your thinking process. Yes. So I think concept it is clear to you. Yes,
Yes,
students.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we are learn about the concept mammals, their characteristics, essential characteristics, right? Okay. So thank you so much. See you in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So this is all about the concept attainment model. Yes. Shinde sir, please share your feedback. I request you.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. First of all, okay, a very happy afternoon to everyone. So please clap for Dr. Pratibha Dabhare ma'am for a very, very beautiful lesson, whatever she has conducted. Huh? Online also you can share emojis, right? So it's really a very beautiful lesson, and whatever you could see over here, it's really wonderful whatever she has shared. For example, first of all, she has presented the learning material very systematically. She has created very that means curiosity very properly. You might have seen her expressions also, as well as I didn't see your expressions because your cameras were switched off, but mom's expressions were really beautiful. So she has given you examples labeled with yes and no in the form of beautiful pictures. That was very beautiful thing, whatever I have observed over here. And all of you have highlighted those key attributes from that concept. So your active participation, mostly verbal participation, because here we couldn't take active participation. So you have compared both the types of examples. You have analyzed similarities also. And one more thing, whatever I have found afterwards, verification of that concept attainment. So you have verified and understood the identity of new correct examples also. Then you have justified with logical reasoning also. So there was conceptual clarity, and ma'am has also encouraged you to define that concept precisely, as well as she has given some terms also by giving you everyday examples. Examples that means whatever you could see, animals and everything. So the verification stage was very well executed. And definitely, I thought at last she has analyzed your thinking process also. She has given various questions on the slide so that you thought about that thinking process. And afterwards, you have explained how they arrived at the concept. That means how you came to the concept. So it was really a wonderful lesson. And I thought that after ma'am has taken this beautiful demo lesson, so there won't be any kind of issue for you to conduct such kind of lesson. So hearty congrats, ma'am, for conducting a very, very wonderful lesson.